I went to a major university that at the time I was like 20,000 students. That's a small school. And I thought I'd get personal attention. I was just another tuition payment. I was just another student. They didn't care about me at all. When I came to Herzing, my teachers, if I was struggling, they came to me and they said, let's figure out a way to make sure that you pass this class and that you get a better grade. I've never felt so much personal attention from a teacher before to make sure that I succeed. I mean, I've never had a teacher care before.
When it comes to working for a family-owned operation like the Herzing University organization, you're getting something that's very authentic. When someone enrolls in Herzing University, it often feels like, and I've stated on many occasions, that it feels as if they're invited into our family.
Everybody knows everybody, from the people in admissions to your teachers, to your clinical teachers, to the dean. So you feel like it's kind of a family. So you're not lost, like say one of the big universities like UAB or Alabama.
You know, Herzing being a family-owned business, I think they put in certain values and certain ethics that maybe are talked about at other universities, but maybe not practiced. It's pretty awesome when you can walk into your university and people know who you are, they say hi, they shake your hand, they know what you're all about. That's huge. I come from a small town where when people know who you are, that's a big deal.
We care so much about our students, and I think that shows in the atmosphere here. And like I've said before, we're a big family here at Herzing, and when you leave here, I think that you will have established relationships that will last a lifetime.
Just like anybody can call their sister or their brother or their cousin and talk to them about, hey, I need help, I need this. We actually do that the same at Herzing University.
I love the atmosphere, I love my coworkers, I love the staff, the faculty, the students are awesome. I couldn't think of a better place to be at right now. And coming to Herzing, I feel like I actually am at home now.
Herzing University is honestly the most homey feeling university.
And it was just so friendly and so welcoming. I really felt like it was a home here.
Our students are personal to us, and I believe they know it.
Being here at Herzing is like my second family. It's great having people there for you that care about you.
We're going to be your cheerleaders, we're going to encourage you along the way, and we're going to assist you with anything you need to be successful. So you need to make that first step. You need to jump out there, and then we'll be here to encourage you and help you along the way.
I know they care about me because they know me by my first name. The students, the staff, everybody knows everybody. That in a big university or a big college, you don't get that. But you get the same exact education at Herzing. Plus, the family.
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 We are family.
Definitely.